been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates, and they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right.
Hi guys! So, nag-start na yung long days off ko today. So, meron akong 7 days remaining para spend sa vacation. So, we decided to go to Baguio, and eventually, if ever, baka sa Sagada. So, samahan nyo ako. Wala akong plan kung anong gagawin. Basta ang importante, makaalis, makarelax, kapasyal during the off para ma-refresh tayo before ulit pumasok sa work. Update nyo sa mga susunod na araw kung saan tayo pupunta, famous spots, food, tas mag-ukay-ukay sana tayo sa Baguio. Magkano yung magagastos namin for this 6 days travel. Quick browsing lang ng possible accommodation and tourist spot in Baguio City since hindi planado ang trip na to. Nag-trans passenger kami sa Victory Liner Caloocan since malapit lang ito sa place ko. Luckily, may available seat for an 11 PM trip. This bus is an express at 633 pesos each. Comfortable lang seat at hindi napuno ang buong bus. If may luggage kayo, sa ilalim ito ng bus ilalagay. The seat is spacious at may more than enough leg room. Nare-recline din ang seat pero bahagya lang, enough to sleep.
Ano? Lamok sa ito. Hindi ko magpinan kasi hindi ko sabi ko sabi ko ni Mama. Ganun.
11:10. See you Baguio.
2,000 years later.
Yan boss, ay siya na stock ko lang. Sige to mamo.
Punyetan, lamig. Lamig. Walas. Diyos ko, lamig. Ay, natambayan. Pwede ba tayo dyan? Diyos ko, napakalamig. Diyos ko, lamig. Story time. Hindi ko naisip dahil madaling araw ang biyahe, mabilis lang ang travel time. We arrived at Baguio City around 3:30 in the morning. Super lamig ng panahon at naka-t-shirt lang ako. Dahil nga spontaneous tong trip na to, wala pa kaming accommodation. Kasama ng pagod sa biyahe at pagkasyak sa klima, hindi ako makapag-isip ng maayos. Halos kagatin ko na yung offer ng mga hotel na may early check-in kahit na hindi masyadong maganda at mahal. I send multiple inquiries sa mga Airbnbs and sobrang aga pa kasi kaya walang masyadong response. My first choice kasi is 217 Bonifacio Residences. Kaso walang available na early check-in. Eventually, may nag-reply sa amin sa Facebook and they accept us as early as 6 AM with additional fees. From Victory Liner around 5:45 AM, we ride a taxi going to the accommodation. It's a metered taxi and we paid 60 pesos lang. More or less about a 5 minutes ride. So, after hours of checking kung saan kayo mag-stay finally, we are here at Mega Tower 3. Residential to. Planning to stay here for the day lang sana. Plus, lilipat kami ng hotel. Okay naman. Decent naman yung place. Okay din naman yung price. And malapit to sa SM tsaka Burnham Park. Pero upon checking, wifi nila is not working. Yung condo na to is located sa basement ng tower. So, kahit yung signal ng cellphone is not working. So, kinakausap namin yung owner. If ever na hindi maayos yung internet, hanggang 12, nilipat na lang kami ng accommodation. Then, babayaran namin yung na-consume namin for the day. Kasi hindi talaga uubra na walang internet dahil walang signal kahit yung cellphone. So, parang nasa isolated space kami. Pero if magka-internet, okay naman. Decent naman yung place. Malapit naman sa location. Mag-stay lang kami for one night. Then, magka-transfer kami to another hotel. So, yun lang. Update ko kayo kung anong mangyayari.
A few moments later.
At ayun na nga, hindi nag-work yung internet connection nila and we decided na lumipat na lang na accommodation. We paid 1,000 pesos for our 6-hour stay. Okay na din at nakapagpahinga kami kahit paano. Pero medyo scary kasi may mga narinig kami kung ano-ano.
2,000 years later.
Welcome to 217 Residence here in Baguio. Finally, we decided to stay at 217 Bonifacio Residences located in Upper Bonifacio, few minutes from SM and Burnham Park. We got the deluxe room with balcony for our 2-night stay, 2,200 per night with free plated breakfast. This accommodation feels homey. We booked via their Facebook page and we paid sa accommodation na mismo. Since we are a few minutes before arriving, you can check their FB page at 217 Bonifacio. Transparent yung prices nila doon at fix siya. Madali ding intindihin at walang mga hidden charges. You need to pay the down payment and you will settle the rest upon checking in. Maganda yung interior at color choices. Industrial yung finish at maluwag yung mga open spaces nila. The staff here is very accommodating with every inquiry na tinatanong ko sa kanila kahit na minsan paulit-ulit na. I get the hype kung bakit marami nag-i-stay dito. The staff disclosed that Wi-Fi in some spot ay slow, but staying in the common area provides enough speed. This hotel has a coffee shop at ground floor and in fairness, masarap ang coffee and pastries nila dito. 360 view.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates. And they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. I've been
Hi guys! Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And comment down below kung saan niyo pa ako gustong pumunta. And abangan nyo ang next episode ng ating Baguio series. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!
tired.